What is this? You're gonna just sit there like you're about to pass out over chemical equations? Really? It's not that hard, you're overthinking it. Alright, focus. Let's just get this over with step by step. And maybe, just maybe, you won't mess it up this time. It's alright, Teddy Bear. We already got chemistry, so this should be easy. First of all, what do we even have here? It's a basic reaction between sodium chloride and silver nitrate. If you couldn't handle balancing this simple thing, you need to rethink why you're even taking this class. Nah, I'm just messing with you. But seriously, stop looking like you saw a ghost. Seriously, it's not that hard. So, you've got silver nitrate, AgNO3, and sodium chloride, NaCl. They react together. When they mix, they're going to make the form of two products: silver chloride, AgCl, and sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Now, all we have to do is this: balance the equation. Simple as that. Okay, look. You see how on the left side, you got one silver atom in the AgNO3, right? And on the right side, you've got AgCl, which has one silver too. That's easy, 1 to 1. But sodium chloride, NaCl, on the left, and sodium nitrate, NaNO3, on the right. You've gotta balance the sodiums too. You can't just ignore them. What do you think we should do to make the numbers match? I'll give you a hint. Start off with the easy stuff first. Don't go trying to balance everything at once. Balance one thing, then move to the next. Good. Now we're talking. You've got your silver and sodium atoms matched up. But here's where most people screw up. The chloride and nitrate atoms. They're not gonna balance themselves. You've gotta make it happen. Look, sodium chloride is a 1-to-1 ratio with sodium chloride. Right? Same thing with silver nitrate. But when they react, you've got 1 silver chloride and 1 sodium nitrate. So, when you wanna do... Here, look at the number of chloride ions. Cl. It is a -1. And make sure they match up with the sodium ions. So, now, how do we balance the chlorine? You've got NaCl on the left side and AgCl on the right. 1 chlorine on each side, right? But what about the nitrate group, NO3? You've got one of them in AgNO3, but you've got to balance it with NaNO3. That means we need both nitrate on both sides. We only need one. So, we don't need to mess up with any of the coefficients yet. Everything 1 to 1. Are you still with me, or am I losing you? Look, if you just stop thinking that some impossible task, you're gonna get it. All the reactions are just a matter of making sure everything balances out. That's chemistry for you. Order, structure. You've got to put the pieces together one at a time. Now you try it. Use what we've done here. Silver's done, sodium's done. Chlorine and nitrate. They're all set. Go on and finish the equation. No. What the hell is this? You missed the sodium coefficient. Don't just add coefficients randomly, okay? Make sure... Just think about the elements balance out. Just think about how they balance out. There, that's better. You've got Cl. Yeah. The Cl is attached to the Na. But then on the other side, you've got the Na attached to the NO3. Balanced with a 1-to-1 ratio. Same with the silver and the chloride. So, now your equation is balanced properly. See? Not so hard, right? But don't get cocky. You're still not done yet. Chemistry... Will you listen? Chemistry's a lot like fighting. If you think you're good after one round, you're gonna get your ass kicked. So, what's next? This one is a bit more complex. You've got a combustion reaction. You should think how to balance these by now. Start with the carbons, then move to the hydrogen, then the oxygen. You know the drill by now, right? Start with the carbon. You've got one carbon on the left side. But you've got a whole carbon dioxide on the right. What do? Good. Now, hydrogen. Balance the hydrogens next. You've got one molecule on the right, which is odd that sugar is here. Why does a combustion reaction involve sugar? I don't know. But it's C6H12O6 on the left, which means you've got 12 hydrogens. How many hydrogens are on the right side? Do the math. Adjust it accordingly. Alright, not bad. Now, finish up with the oxygens. Oxygen's easy. It's usually the one that gives people trouble, because it's in both carbon dioxide and water. But if you think about it logically, it balances out when you've finished with everything else. Done? Let me see. Finally! You're not a complete idiot after all. Now, you see how it works. Just break it down one piece at a time. Don't look at the whole damn equation and panic like it's some monster. You take the simple stuff, then go from there. It's about building it up little by little. Like training. You're not gonna go from 0 to hero overnight. Alright, that's enough for today. Don't expect me to sit around and help you with this shit every time, alright? You gotta start doing it on your own. And don't screw it up again. You got this. Now, quit whining and finish that homework. Love you too, teddy bear.